We try them before you buy them in our short pour series. We're going to try the nose, the taste, and we're going to talk about the value of your recommendations. Aaron, what do you got on the nose on this one?
This one seems a little young. This has a distinct banana.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Thanks to its esters.
So
And maybe,
not like fake banana, not your banana candy. Like it's
Right.
banana.
I don't know.
This is not Laffy Taffy yet.
This is banana candy to me.
Banana candy.
Let's give her a little taste.
Huh.
You know,
Okay.
not bad.
Yeah.
So what we're trying here is some Kirklands, courtesy of Costco. This is their BIB, their Bottled and Bond Kentucky Straight, right?
Well, yes, it's a bottle and bond. It comes out of Barton 1792 Distillery,
Okay.
which used to be my favorite bottom shelf bourbon, very old Barton. Although I did think it had that kind of fake banana nose, I think it's got a very nice flavor.
It's got a very good taste, and for a Barton product, normally I lean a little away from Barton.
Mm-hmm.
They all have that banana. One of my favorite Barton products is the 1792 Bottle and Bond.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm guessing what this is, and this is just pure speculation, is barrels that were not able to be 1792 Bottle and Bond get kind of shipped over and made into Kirkland's,
be.
which, I mean, I'm not upset about it.
You know, that kind of takes us to the value proposition. At $25, that's not a bad bourbon.
$25.
Yeah.
That's a liter.
That's a liter,
And that's a liter.
which means it's going to be 1/3 more than a 750. It's going to be 1,000 milliliters rather than 750 milliliters.
Okay.
So it's a third more. It's a hell of a bargain.
At $25.
Unbelievable. I have to say that once you called my attention to that banana flavor, I get it not only on the nose, but
It's on the palate as well.
taste, yeah.
It is. It
But
is.
you know, this could be used. I mean, it's what proof is this? Is 100 proof?
100.
Right? So you're not going to make a heavy cocktail out of this. It's not going to carry something too much, but you could use it as a mixer.
Absolutely could use it as a mixer. I would drink it straight.
I would put it on the rocks. Absolutely. Yeah.
And I would actually give this to somebody who talks about the fact that they only drink 80 or 90 proof, that they don't like anything 100 or above. This one,
This is a soft 100.
Yep. And so it doesn't drink 100. Some hundreds drink 110 or a little more. This one is the opposite in a good way.
I think this is a really nice product. I'm not a Costco member. If I'm not mistaken, in many states, I think including in Indiana and maybe Kentucky, your mileage may vary. I think you can, even if you're not a Costco member, I think you can go into a Costco
and buy their whiskey.
and buy alcohol.
And pharmaceuticals.
There you go.
There you go.
And I think that's also true.
My knowledge finally comes into some use. 11 years of college, and I get to tell you, you can buy drugs at Costco.
I always thought Very Old Barton was a great product, and until I started drinking Old Forester 100, and that kind of torpedoed Very Old Barton. But for the flavor, for the volume, for the value, this is an amazing buy.
So you're saying you're buying a bottle?
I might buy a case.
There you go.
I'm going to buy a bottle for sure for $25, and the flavor and the things you can do with it. Absolutely going to buy a bottle.
I'm going to buy a bottle. For nothing else, I'm going to blind this against something that's 3 times as expensive and have somebody tell me that they like the other one 3 times better.
I absolutely love that.
Yeah. All right. Well, there you go. If you have a bottle that you would like for us to try, drop us a comment in YouTube or on Facebook. Send us a message. We'd love to hear from you. Hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, please drink responsibly.